Okay, in today's video, I'm going to look at XBI because I think there might be a setup here. Now, we did bounce recently off of some extensions and a 50% retracement, but now we have to look at the current pullback and see if I can give you a relatively low-risk entry by running the symmetry of these prior swings. So I'm going to measure these prior highs to lows and then project them from the recent high. I'm also going to do the swings inside of the swing. Okay, yeah, that one is more similar. This one you went through slightly, so we'll get rid of it. Then we have the more recent high to low. Okay, that comes in a little bit lower. Now let's also see if there are any overlapping price retracements or extensions. So let's look at retracement of the full swing. Get rid of the ones that the market has gone through. And then there's another swing, the higher low to the highest high, and then the more recent low to high swing. Okay, obviously what we went through is no longer valid, but we do have a couple of support decisions that we could take trades against. Now, the first area, and actually this has already triggered an entry, I can see, but the first area that we would focus on as far as risk definitions, 84, 61, and 98. Second area, anywhere between, I think I'm going to have to write this down, 83.13 to 83.95. Okay, there you go. So one of these two zones, you can, define risk underneath there. And basically it has already triggered an entry, because if you go down to a 15-minute chart, you'll see then on the 15-minute chart we did have the moving average crossover here, and then you also had taken out a prior swing high in the process. So it's already in a buy signal with initial risk defined underneath this recent low. And if it continues to rally from that support, we just run the extensions of the swing into the zone, and that tells us that the initial upside target is 90.48 and 91.98. But also look at this in the bigger picture. If this low that was made here, looks like end of May, then the upside target off of that low and from the larger swing actually comes in at 97.83. So shorter term targets are here, bigger picture target is here. When am I wrong? If it breaks the zones.